Hello guys. So for our first day on our unit 3, which is called We Will Rock You, we had an introduction to the earth. So this will be for module 31, okay, Monday and Wednesday, November 2nd and 4th. So we have a short warm-up, which is a preview of facts that you may or may not know about Earth. So it's totally fine if you just guess on this warm-up. I put some interesting facts in there, so don't skip it. And then we set up your Unit 3 folder in your Google Drive. So go on over to your Google Drive, locate your science folder, and first, make sure that there's no documents or presentations that you haven't put into a folder. So if you have a lot of stuff out here, chances are it should be in Unit 2 This Matters. And so if you forgot to make a folder for Unit 2, then maybe this is a good time to do that and just drag and drop anything that is outside of a folder in there so we have a clean slate for Unit 3. And then we're going to create this folder right here, Unit 3, We Will Rock You. So if you forgot how to make a folder, all you do is you go over here. First, make sure you're in the science folder. Then click New, and the first option to click is Folder. And then name it. So it'll be called Unit 3, We Will Rock You. And if you haven't guessed by now, this unit is all about the Earth, including rocks and Earth's layers and a lot of other cool stuff. So click Create and you'll have a folder like this. And everything that we do for the next 5 weeks is going to be put into this folder right here. Okay, so back to the module. So the only other thing that we did today to introduce us to this new unit is this page right here called Welcome to Earth. So this page is full of interesting facts about Earth and a couple of links that are fun to click on. So we have the size of the Earth in miles. We have the age of the Earth. We have the world population, so that's people on Earth. Now if you click this link, there's a lot of cool information on it, so I'm going to let you explore that on your own. And then we have the number of orbiting satellites. So in this picture, this is not a real picture, but it's an artistic representation of all the satellites that are orbiting Earth. So these are man-made objects that circle the Earth. They orbit around the Earth, and they're important because they provide us with GPS, they take pictures of the Earth, they monitor weather, they provide things like satellite radio or TV. So we use them a lot, and there's a lot of them up there. And then finally, I want you to watch this video for yourself. It's full of interesting facts and mostly images of the Earth taken from the International Space Station, which is one of these satellites, and also other satellites that we have up there. So you can see Earth from all of its angles during the day, during the night, when it's raining. You can see the northern lights. So please watch this video. And this is your introduction to the Earth. This is your Welcome to Earth, which is the unit we're going to study for the next 5 weeks. The only other thing on today's module, I encourage you to look through it, but there's no assignment for it. It is Coronavirus 101. This is so that everybody who's in school, physically in the classroom, is aware of things that are important to know in order for us to all stay safe. So for you to stay safe at home, in school, for teachers to stay safe, and of course everybody's families. So we are talking about this week in class, just to make sure that we keep up what we've been doing. And I encourage everybody at home to also go through this PowerPoint, maybe even with your family, because it affects everybody. However, there's no assignment due for today's module. The only thing you must do is create that folder for this unit.